Hey beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got something you love, a super quick and easy tutorial on crochet hair plus 8 different ways you can style your crochet for the week. So first, I parted my hair like you see in the video, then plaited it all back. You can totally do the same or just weave it straight back, whatever works best for you. Your hair, your vibe. And just so you know, this isn't sponsored or anything, but honestly, this crochet is one of the best I've used so far. I've used this crochet more than 4 times and it still looks new each time I use it, but I can't remember the name. But if I do, I will mention it. I will drop it in the comment. One thing about your crochet staying neat and after use is the way you maintain it. You handle it with care. Now, one funny thing about doing your hair yourself is you can actually make it painful or less painful, but in the long run, no one will tell you sorry. You just have to sit down, endure it, and flow with the pain, and you can't even blame anyone. You just move on and rock your hair. Once the crochet was installed, I got straight into styling. Let's get into it. Watch closely, try the ones you love, and let me know your favorite in the comment. Thank you. Bye.